All right. So, what do they say? Laughter is the best medicine. Well, today you're going to get a chuckle. And I'm changing things a little bit up on today's video. It's Friday, the weekend's right around the corner. And what I'm doing today is I'm pretty much dumbing down the Clarity Act so that the uneducated constituents in office in the United States will get the gist of why the Clarity Act was created. And we're going to look at it on a first grade level, people, and you're going to laugh. I'm still laughing because I went into AI. I had it dumb it down for me, first grade level. We're going to have a good time. It's only going to take a few minutes to go over it, but I want you to forward this video to all your constituents that have no clue of what blockchain and crypto and all that stuff is, but we're going to go and get after it. Let's take a look at numbers. Total crypto market, we're still at about 2.2 trillion. Bitcoin is 64,813. Ethereum is 1875. XRP is $1.10. XLM is under 20 cents. Cardano is 16. HBAR 7 cents. Algo 8 cents. Flare is a little over half a penny. XDC is almost 3 cents. VeChain is almost half a penny. And Zebek is almost 2/10 of a penny. So do your research on all these different ecosystems. Educate yourself, educate your neighbors, educate your family, educate your boss, your dog, your hamster, whatever. Let's go and get into it. Jim Bazzani is with Caleb and Brown. And Caleb and Brown is a phenomenal organization. And as a matter of fact, Jim sent me an email this morning. They're sending me a box full of Caleb and Brown swag for me to give away whenever I hit 40,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I'm less than 300 from hitting it. So very soon, I'm going to be giving away some really cool swag from all of my affiliates. But check this out. This is a video with Jim Bazzani in it. You get a free broker with Caleb and Brown. Grow your crypto portfolio, people. Check this out.
Yeah, so Caleb & Brown is an inherently different business in the sense that we operate as a brokerage model. We really focus on building long-term sustainable relationships with our clients, and that entails providing a white glove, personalized, education-focused service. Everyone that signs up gets their own dedicated broker. That broker is there to help hold your hand throughout your entire crypto journey. It's not like a platform where you do it yourself. There's no assistance or help, and there's no customer service. With us, it's the exact opposite. So you'll get your own dedicated broker, our customer support team around your account, who's there to help service you, help you grow your crypto portfolio, and ultimately make the right investment decisions when it comes to buying, selling, and swapping your crypto.
Absolutely. And I've been with Caleb and Brown for years. And anytime I need to contact my broker, I have the app on my phone. If I need to buy or sell, if I need to buy a large amount, if I need to sell a large amount, all I could do is contact my broker, or I could do the actions through the app. This is the splash screen. Click on it below, sign up for free, get your own free personal broker, and learn more about crypto and digital assets with Caleb and Brown. And tell them James Rule XRP sent you by. Okay, here we go. Now, this is all I'm going to talk about today, this dumbing down the Clarity Act for the uneducated. And you're going to laugh, and you're going to laugh, and you're going to laugh, and it's going to be one and done. I'm going to read through it real quick. It's not too long. And then we're going to enjoy our weekend. So this morning I went in and I said, okay, I need you to explain this document to me like I was a first grader so that I may forward it to the uneducated Democrats that are opposing the bill. And I tagged, of course, Elizabeth Warren, Brad Sherman, the American Bankers Association. And I think at the very end, I tagged Cynthia Lummis just for shits and giggles. But anyway, we're going to look at this conversation. And I want to thank Super Grok for spitting this information out here, for putting it on a first grade level. And let's take a look at the Clarity Act real quick. I'm going to try to compose myself. Okay, so AI said, hi, let's talk about this big paper like you're in the first grade. I'll use easy words and fun stories so anyone can get it. What is this paper? It's a new rule book called the Clarity Act. Think of crypto and digital money like Bitcoin or other computer coins as special playground toys that kids trade. Right now, the grown-up teachers, the government rule makers, argue about whose job it is to watch the toys and keep everyone safe. This rule book stops the arguing. The big problem it fixes. Imagine two groups of teachers. One group watches company shares like pieces of a lemonade stand business. That's the SEC. The other group watches regular stuff like corn and gold that people buy and sell. That's the CFTC. Nobody was sure which teacher watches the computer coins, so companies got scared. Some bad things happened. The kids, regular people, sometimes lost their toys when companies went broke. The Clarity Act draws a clear line on the playground so everyone knows the rules. What the rule book does in kids' words. Number one, it sorts the toys. Some computer coins are like company shares. SEC teachers want them or watches them. Most other computer coins that work on a big shared computer network, blockchain, are regular toys. The CFT watches them. Clear sorting means less fighting and less confusion. Number two, it makes people tell the truth. If you invent a new computer coin and want to sell it, you'll have to write a simple report that says, here's what my coin does, here's who made it, and here's the important stuff. No more secret surprises. Number three, it keeps your toys safe. When you put your computer coins at a toy store in exchange, the store must keep your toys in a special box separate from the store's own toys. If the store breaks, you'll get your toys back. Number four, it stops the bad guys. The rule book makes the toy stores and helpers watch for cheaters, thieves, and people using the toys for secret bad stuff. It helps the police catch them faster. Number five, it lets good builders play. People who write the computer code for the toys, software developers, get protection so they aren't punished just to make cool new tools. Banks can also help with toys in safe ways. Number six, it says no to one special government toy. The biggest bank of all, the Federal Reserve, is not allowed to make its own computer money and give it straight to regular people who use it and control money rules. Regular private company coins stay free to play. Why some grown-ups like it? It makes the playground safer and fairer so America can keep inventing cool new toys instead of watching other countries do it first. Everyday people get clearer rules and better protection for their money. That's the whole paper in super simple words. You can share this explanation with anyone who wants to understand what the Clarity Act is really about. And that's in first grade terms. And now you kind of get an idea. And I know, James, what were you thinking? Well, I'm just getting it out there because I'm a crypto teacher and that's what I do. Be sure to subscribe. I'm less than 300 subscribers away from giving away a bunch of cool stuff. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. And don't forget, I told you so.